everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So, happy Thursday! It's June... what day is it? June 20th, 2024, and it's the beginning of summer! Day 2 here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Last night, nakatulog kami guys masarap yung tulog namin last night kasi sobrang pagod kami from the drive, and then after ng dinner, naglakad-lakad kami. Ang daming pwedeng gawin dito. So, it was so fun, and today is, wala naman kaming concrete plans. Ang gusto lang na, ang ano namin is, we would like to play sana ng golf, mini golf, and eat pancakes. But we'll see kung saan kami, kung ano yung magiging, basta yun yung gusto namin gawin. But then, we'll see kung, kasi minsan mahaba yung pila, and then maraming tao sa loob ng restaurant. But hopefully, magawa namin yun. And we'll update you guys. And, ayun. See you guys in a bit. What can you say, my love?
See you guys.
See you guys. Lalakad na kami guys. Yan yung hotel namin. Nasa background. Oh, ang init. Alam nyo, tinignan namin yung, since gusto talaga namin ni Ken na mag-pancake. Kasi even before nung lumating kami, yun talaga yung gusto namin na matry yung mga pancakes nila dito. Maraming mga pancake houses nila dito. And then, may ni-recommend yung, hinihingal ako guys, may ni-recommend yung best friend ni Ken, and the pancake house is called Flapjacks. And then tinignan namin sa website, magsasarado sila ng 1 PM, and guess what, it's already 11:10. So we figured na pumunta na doon, i-push na talaga namin to. Pumunta na doon at kumain na ng lunch. So, pancakes for lunch. Because why not? Ang ganda ng weather. Mainit nga lang. But syempre, well, let's show them. May baon kaming tubig, guys. Stay hydrated. Ugan akong tika-tika. Pila pa ganito ka minutes.
So there's
yes, that's the famous corn dog place. Oh. Ay, ang dami ng tao guys. Naglalakad lang. Look at that. So where's the Flapjacks? We'll just cross the street.
Way up there.
Okay. Hanap pa namin guys. So, Bactas is live. Mas maganda kasi pag maglakad ka lang. Kasi pahirapan din yung parking dito, or malayo yung parking space. So, maglalakad ka lang talaga para mas ma-enjoy mo yung lugar. Where's a pancake place, my love?
I come this way.
Let's go for it.
It was at the place where we turned around last night.
Ah, okay. It's way up there.
Yeah.
It's okay. We'll just take our time. Sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Nice. May nakikita ba kayong gumagamit ng payong? Okay. So, wala. Hindi ako nagdala guys ng payong para makablend. Char. Hangat na ko eh. Mas maganda kung ayaw nyo talang mabilad sa init, magandang maglakad mga around 5:30 onwards. Ngayon. But, since gusto nga namin mag-pancake, at saka yung pancake house na gusto namin is medyo may kalayuan, So, push na lang talaga. I-push na natin to. Grabe, hanga kayo maglakaw. Magstorya. Uy! Pumunta na ako, guys. Medyo malapit naman na kami dun sa pancake place. Uy, grabe, binaktasa yun. Uy! Mag-carry lang. Minsan lang naman tayo nakapunta dito. So, ano na natin. Push na natin. Bahala na. Bahala na magkuan. Bahala na mamaol. Baktas na. Pamaol later. We're very close to the pancake place. Ito yung nasa harapan namin. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, yan guys. Maraming mga pakulo yung mga stores dito. Dito na kami. Flapjacks Pancake Cabin. Sana open pa sila. Parang walang tao. Open! Yay! Oh, thank goodness. So we're having buttermilk pancakes and then waffles with chicken on top. So mag-share kami ni Ken para matry namin pareho yung mga orders. Thank you! We're excited. Tapos ito yung view namin, guys. Tada! Ang ganda. Tapos napaka-cool dito sa loob. Tapos na kami mag-lunch. Ang sarap, guys. It was worth it. It was worth all the walk that we did earlier. Sobrang busog ko, guys. Ngayon, maglalakad-lakad lang kami. I-burn lang namin yung pancakes, saka waffles, and chicken fingers. Mainit. Mabuti na lang din kaysa umulan. Ewan ko lang kung nagsusnow dito. What? What is that? Oh, ribs. Ooh. We're looking for a barbecue place, guys. Mahilig din kami ni Ken ng barbecue.
Best ribs in America.
Oh, wow. So, we'll see kung ano namang kakainin namin mamaya for dinner. We'll try to eat sa mga local na ano nila, mga restaurants. So far we're doing good at it because last night we tried their pizza for dinner, and then ito ngayon yung pancake. So we'll see kung ano yung kakainin namin for dinner. Guys, merong tawag nito, bridge, hanging bridge, guys. Tignan nyo. Kita nyo yan? Sana yung yan, guys, yan yung hanging bridge.
There, she's turning.
Kakatakot. Balik na kami sa dun sa baba. Try namin to, guys. 18-hole miniature golf. Umuwi pa lang kami dito sa hotel kanina, mga around 2 p.m. Kasi sobrang init na, guys. Pahinga muna, tapos natulog kami. And now, it's already 6:16. So, hanap muna kami ng mga kainan. Dito kami sa Smith & Son Corner Kitchen. So, waiting na lang kami sa sa table namin. Our orders are here. I'm having chicken tenders, fries, and mashed potato. And Ken's having chicken parmesan with garlic bread. That's it. Thank you.